I want y'all to meet my new friend, and watch how excited it get. Watch how excited she get to see me. Watch. Just by me walking up there, look how excited. Watch. Watch she starts shaking and stuff. Hey. 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 Look. What's your name? Dolly. That's a nice name. I just met Dolly today. Well, I came and introduced myself. Hi, Dolly. Your name Dolly. That's a nice name. So I wanted to show people my new friend. See how excited she is to see me? Look. Look. Look down here. Yeah. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Look how excited. I told you I'm gonna spend some time with you every day. Yeah, I'll be back. I was just introducing you. Okay. This one over here. He told me his name Bobby. Bobby! Bobby, hey! Look how excited, look. Hey, Bobby! Hey! Hi, Bobby! They get so excited to see you, just don't know. You gotta just touch. Hey! Yes, 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 hey! Hey, Bobby! Hey, baby! Aww! Hey, baby! Aww! Hey! So we had pulled some weeds up out of Bobby today. And then gave him some water because he's looking a little dried out. And he appreciated it too. He appreciative. I can see it, I can feel it. And you're welcome. You're welcome. All right. Bye, Dolly. See you later, okay? All right, Bobby. See you later.